Hi, my name is Emily, and this year I'm taking over the Alpin Room on Snowmass as head chef. So this is our crème brûlée. It's just one of those desserts that you just can't really go wrong. Add sugar to egg yolks. You want to whisk it until it is light in color. We are not heating this because the eggs will cook, and that is not what you want for a crème brûlée. All we are doing back here with the milk is we just want it to get a little bit warm. And this is called tempering, so we're gonna add just a little bit of the cream into the eggs because we want it to come up to temperature but not cook the eggs. Vanilla bean paste, it holds a lot more flavor than an extract. So we're then gonna pour this in here, pour it into our vessels. Take hot water and pour. Make sure that it doesn't burn, it steams. So then you let it do its thing in the oven, put sugar on it first, and then here's where the brulee part comes in. Woohoo, fire. You wanna start on the edge before working your way into the center, because if not, the center will just straight up burn. Put some strawberries on there. Voila, there you have crème brûlée. At the Alpin Room, we are very sweet, so we'd love to send you off that way with our crème brûlée.